Sa balitang football, hindi ipinalad ang Philippine Women's National Football Team na makuha ang panalo sa kanilang unang home game mula noong 2022 matapos na mabigo sa Chinese Taipei sa isang international friendly game nitong Martes ng gabi sa Rizal Memorial Stadium. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Nakalasap ng mapait na pagkatalo ang Philippine Women's National Football Team sa kanilang unang laban sa Rizal Memorial Stadium matapos ang 3 taon. Yumuko ang Pilipinas sa Chinese Taipei sa score na 1-0 sa isang official international friendly game nitong Martes ng gabi na nagsilbing konklusyon ng 9 na araw na training camp ng koponan sa Maynila. Sa kawalan ng mga veterans na sina Sarina Bolden, Katrina Guiu, Quinley Quesada at Isabella Flanagan, nahirapan ang Pilipinas na mahanap ang kanilang laro kontra sa mas agresibong Chinese Taipei. Sa 27th minute, naging tulay ang first touch error ni Sara Egasvic mula sa goalkeeper na si Olivia McDaniel para maagaw ni Saki Matsunaga ang bola at makabutas ng goal para sa visiting team. Sinubukan pa ng ating football squad na makatabla sa second half na ilang ulit muntikang makapuntos pero naging matatag ang depensa ng Chinese Taipei para ipagkait sa Pilipinas at sa higit 3,000 Pinoy football fans ang inaasam na panalo. Ayon kay Filipinas head coach Mark Torcaso, hindi man ito ang inaasahan nilang resulta, hanga pa rin siya sa ipinakitang laban ng kanyang koponan.
It's always tough losing any game in any sport, but you probably saw the character of what our girls are actually about in that last sort of 35 minutes. And I can't doubt the fight in these girls, and that's something that we've been doing for the last 6 months, is constantly fighting and working hard for each other. And I'm extremely proud of them. It's not the result, obviously, that we would want, because we want to win every single game. But it's a good preparation game for our Asian Cup qualifiers, and that's the one thing that we're really looking forward to, is going to Cambodia and having a good show for the country and qualifying for the Asian Cup.
Ibinahagi rin ni Torcaso kung ano ang susunod na akbang ng Pilipinas lalo na't nalalapit ng umarangkada ang kanilang kampanya sa AFC Women's Asian Cup qualifiers.
We've got a couple of things lined up potentially in Cambodia in the lead-in. Most likely outside in Cambodia. We're looking at every option though. There might be another option potentially here, just depending on which players we can get available.
Para naman sa team captain na si Hailey Long na naglaro ng kanyang 90th international game para sa Pilipinas, punteriya nilang makabawi sa mga parating nilang laban sa mga bigating torneo ngayong taon.
We had big shoes to fill. We made big shoes to fill for ourselves, and having those expectations are tough. I don't want to set myself up to fail. Every game is an opportunity to get better, to learn, and to grow, and that's what we're going to continue doing. And hopefully, we get good momentum going into this year, qualifiers, AFF, and SEA Games at the end of the year.
Matapos ang mga serye ng training camps at friendlies, magbabalik aksyon ng Pilipinas sa 2026 AFC Women's Asian Cup qualifiers kung saan una nilang makaharap ang Saudi Arabia sa June 29, susundan ng Cambodia sa July 2 at Hong Kong sa July 5. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.